This one is for slot 7C.
Yes, right next to the blue one.
Okay, it's secure.
Sector Gamma, ensure all safety checks are logged before the next cycle begins.
Utilizing advanced X-ray and candling technology, every egg is meticulously scanned, ensuring only the highest internal quality.
The temperature readings are stable on line 3.
Good. The flow rate looks optimal as well.
Within hours of hatching, each chick receives critical vaccinations to protect against common poultry diseases.
Broiler. Utilizing computer-controlled accuracy, the robotic microneedle injectors deliver subcutaneous vaccines.
Make sure the vents are clear on the top row. We need to maximize airflow for this shipment.
Easy now, slide it right onto the conveyor.
Got it, boss.
Next one coming out.
They are finding the water quickly. Let's grab some help here.
Yes, the placement seems right. They look strong.
In just 2 weeks, these broilers have quadrupled in size. Nature's growth acceleration powered by modern genetics and precision nutrition.
Keep it slow and steady now. Watch the edge.
Copy that. Bringing the jack around. Birds are calm.
Birds move through automated systems designed for speed and minimal handling. The entire primary process completes in under 10 seconds.
Electrical stunning renders birds instantly unconscious, have a humane process strictly regulated to ensure zero pain or distress during processing.
Precision temperature scalding and mechanical defeathering systems prepare each bird for inspection, technology perfected over decades of food science.
USDA inspectors examine every single bird. Any defect results in immediate reject, ensuring only safe.
Computer-guided evisceration systems ensure precision and consistency, each bird processed to exact specifications required for safe human consumption. Automated systems and trained professionals work in sync, processing each bird through multiple safety and quality checkpoints within minutes.
Whole birds transform into retail cuts through combination of automated precision and skilled human craftsmanship, working in perfect coordination.
Expert graders evaluate every piece against USDA standards. Grade A quality means consistent color, texture, and trim meeting strict specifications.
From processing to packaging, every transition maintains strict temperature control and sanitation. The cold chain never breaks for a moment.
Massive cold storage facilities maintain strict temperatures, 32 degrees for fresh, -10 for frozen, ensuring safety and quality preservation.
Final quality checks verify every pallet meets order specifications and safety standards before any product leaves the facility.
Route 4 inbound in 10. Clear the zone.
Copy that. Moving the last pallet now.
Precise load sequencing ensures efficient delivery routes. Drivers can unload each customer's order without disturbing remaining pallets.
From farm to processing to nationwide distribution, America's poultry industry feeding over 330